Hello, friends of Komodo platform, friends of KMD. Today is a big green candle day just for you. You've stuck around until now, and here it is. It's me, Giuliano. Yes, it's July 6th, well, July 7 now, UTC time. Welcome to this chart video. I'm going to move into that right away from here as soon as I remind you that it's a great time to get yourself some Komodo based apparel here. This Komodo light tee and where is the Komodo dark tee? I can vouch for these t-shirts. They are feeling comfortable, and get yourself one. Now onto this. Oh, there's a coupon, should be a coupon there in the description. Onto this price chart, we're going to say, hi, BTC at 34,000 USD. But our friends today at Komodo price chart action came to play. What are we looking at here? On a very daily level, we are looking at a green candle from roughly 1800 Satoshis level to roughly we went to the 2200 Satoshis level closing, and intraday, yep, within those, even you could argue the 2300 on this Binance information. So there you have it. That's what we're looking at for today as that candle. Now, we've had so many huge red ones in the previous past that, okay, great, we have a green candle. So what? Well, so that means that we are out of this movement here, out of that sideways action, okay? We're looking at a daily chart. This is the candle closing for July 6th. Okay, we're on to July 7, but it's a nice, 25 to 30% move for you there. So there you have it. And one thing I'd like to notice here, what are we doing here? Oops. One thing I'd like to notice here is, okay, so we don't have much information price-wise here. We seem to be in a floating zone price-wise. But if we come back here, all the way back to this side here, okay, we see now that we are actually just floating above some of this price resistance level here, okay, which was also support. Okay, so that's kind of where we are. We're in this zone here, where in fact we have gone above all of this price action here. Great. Now we're looking to close here, consolidate, and then move higher. Okay, so we closed up here. Let's consolidate whatever it needs to be, and then moving up higher to go to these even higher levels. Okay, whoops. We don't know what just happened there. We are going to continue sharing that screen. That was wrong button pressed. But anyway, that's where we are on this daily chart. I just wanted to check in and say, hey, it's going roughly as planned. Not as planned, it's not like we're making this shit up, but hey, we're on track. We're on track. None of this is in the horrible place. Okay, we're in a good place overall long term. It's just that it sucked getting here. It was like, okay, we could have just gone flat for a few months, February to June, but instead we decided to take a roller coaster ride up and down. Okay, so on a longer term picture, we're starting to really carve out some accumulation levels, and these two bottoms here might be quite significant on long-term bottoming timeframes. But we'll see how that works out. In terms of our friends at RSI, don't mind these vertical lines, by the way. In terms of our friends over at RSI, here, we're gonna get rid of you. We'll bring these back in another time. That, you see, that was quite a big momentum move up, but so we'll see what ends up happening here. Maybe a little bit of consolidating momentum. All right, let's see though, maybe not, maybe we're going to get a few candles in a row, but this of green candles, but either way, we are having the strength we were waiting for, and there it is. And now we're looking to use these levels to then bounce up higher. Once again, looking to hit that 200-day moving average around the 3,000 Satoshi level. Okay, we've made it past the 2,000. We're looking for that 2,500 level here, but really it was that zone between the 25 to 3,000 where we were really looking to play. All right, let's see us get there. And if that's the case, like let's just imagine we started down here, okay, roughly, and we made it, let's say, to here before we need to consolidate a bit. Let's say we're going to go there. We can see ourselves getting to the 28. And if we're going like even 1618, we can get there. So the reason I'm pulling this line down here is because it supports to about the 2000 level, which is roughly this resistance level here, and the price action here kind of supporting it here. Okay, so that's the basic idea. So don't be surprised if we go down to roughly 2000 Satoshi level. And that's what we would like to see as a major support on the daily candle level, okay, for closing. All right, interesting. That's about it for now on that. And I don't think I'm going to go further into things. I will come with a longer video about bigger ideas such as time and accumulation and levels and ranges and other type of stories. This is the daily MACD, looking like we could put in some further positive momentum in the green. Okay, let's work that. That would be nice. All right, that's it for now. Signing out. That's the KMD BTC. I'm not even gonna go. Oh, okay, yeah, fine. 4-hour chart. Let's do that just for a brief look into the window. We'll kind of got a lot of mess here today. Just wanted to highlight that candle. Yeah, we really moved out of that Bollinger Band. I'm gonna get rid of this zone for now. Sorry, friends. There we go. That's much easier to see. There you are, candles. Look at that action on the 4-hour. Okay, so yeah, seeing that resistance here at these levels of this price action. Okay, let's bring friends of Ichimoku in before we do that. Beautiful. So Ichimoku is giving us that resistance there. So anyone who was calling for that, congrats. And then, yeah, let's work our way above this cloud. All right, let's do that. Good times, friends of Komodo platform. Look, we have reached well into the overbought on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame. Thanks for whoever asked for the 4-hour. Good on you. But in terms of 4-hour MACD, yeah, you know what? Who knows what kind of slowing down we're going to do? It was definitely a big pump in momentum. It went pretty high, pretty fast. So we'll see. We've been having a lot of green here compared to the red. So we'll see how long it can go. Looks like it can go a little bit longer. Let's shoot for that. Let's shoot for that. However, if we are just counting this and this and then this could be as far as we get for a little while. But again, on like on the 4-hour, that's it. But on the daily, not so much. Okay, back to that daily. Ichimoku cloud is up there, but we did pierce through the 20-day moving average. We didn't quite make it to the top of the Bollinger Band, but close enough on that sense. So yeah, maybe a couple days here, consolidate. Doesn't do any harm to consolidate on that RSI too. It gives some more wind up for further highs. And in terms of this lagging indicator, MACD, we could always make humps, 1 hump, 2 humps, and just have a bit more green. We have been having more red in the recent time after the that huge move up. Okay, big moves up in the beginning of the 2021 year. All right, especially in that like February, March time, March, April, I should say, March, April. That's where that was, right? March, April. Anyway, all right, so that's cool to think about, cool to witness, cool to know. And we will leave it there. All right. Yeah, things looking good. That's it for now, friends. That's on the BTC KMD BTC chart. And if you like your US dollar valuations, we didn't quite make it to our box, but hey, we made it there pretty soon. I did not expect this candle today. I don't know who did, but it's nice to see. And then, yeah, working at these price levels here. Okay. And again, you see that kind of support resistance area right here. So that's interesting, and that coincides with this support area here. Well, let's use this. Let's use these levels. I think a higher push will be good for consolidating. Then we could come down. So if we can consolidate from, let's say, even the 85-cent range, that would be nice. Let's get to 85 cents before a bigger, before consolidating. Okay, let's see what happens. Today is a Tuesday. Tomorrow's a Wednesday. Anyway, could be one day of a red and then some more green. No problem. All right, everything's lining up in that sense. Okay, you like your 4 hours, don't you, friends of 4-hour charts? There you go. And again, in the Ichimoku cloud, but less of a look to get. We would need that further push higher in order to clear that cloud. Otherwise, it is, like I said, maybe this would be that rejection spot and coming down for a bit of a longer correction. We'll see. Let's see what BTC does over this next few weeks, right? We're into July now, 1 week in, and there you have it. Okay, feels good though. Feels like we've got some upward momentum, and I think that's what we're working with. And soon into the dollar level. Okay, soon to that dollar level, at least for a rejection. Okay, that's it for now. Goodbye. I don't have anything else to say other than keep it going, rest well, live well, love, peace, and happiness. Take care, everyone. Yeah, goodbye.